Today, we're exploring the journey of Tila Tequila, the social media pioneer and reality TV star who reigned as the queen of MySpace before becoming a household name on MTV's A Shot at Love. From her peak as one of the most famous people on the early internet to a series of high-profile controversies and personal transformations, Tila has navigated a path that few could have predicted. So, where is Tila Tequila now? Let's find out. In the years following her reality TV stardom, Tila Tequila, born Tila Nguyen, underwent a radical shift in her public persona and personal beliefs. After a string of legal issues and a brief stint in the UK's Celebrity Big Brother that ended in scandal due to her past social media posts, she stepped away from the traditional Hollywood machine. She rebranded herself multiple times, briefly adopting the name Tila Levi and, more recently, Tornado Thean, as she turned toward a path of religious and political extremism. Throughout 2024 and 2025, she has largely existed on the fringes of the internet, using alternative social media platforms to share her fringe theories and spiritual proclamations. Tila has moved further away from her glamour girl past, embracing a lifestyle focused on her version of faith and motherhood. While she occasionally resurfaces on platforms like X or YouTube with cryptic or provocative videos, her reach is a fraction of what it once was. She has spent the last year maintaining a relatively low profile in terms of mainstream media, focusing instead on raising her daughters and sharing prophetic messages with a small, dedicated group of followers. Where is Tila Tequila now? As of now, Tila Tequila is believed to be residing in Texas, where she has lived for several years to be closer to family. She is currently living a private life as a single mother to her two daughters, Isabella and Honora. While she is no longer a fixture on red carpets or reality television, she remains a subject of Where Are They Now retrospectives and documentaries exploring the early 2000s, which often analyze her role as the first true social media influencer. Professionally, Tila has no active mainstream career and has not released new music or starred in a television project in years. She has occasionally sought to monetize her past fame through personal blogs or independent digital content, but she has largely prioritized her spiritual awakening over traditional professional success. In early 2026, she continues to be a polarizing figure, with fans often debating whether her drastic transformation is a genuine personal journey or the result of years of public pressure. Tila Tequila has transformed from the ultimate party girl icon into a reclusive, deeply religious mother who leads with her own controversial truth. While she no longer fits into the neat little box of a Hollywood celebrity, she continues to prove that she is no longer interested in seeking a shot at love from the public, prioritizing her children and her personal convictions above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite stars and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.